What's up, guys?
We back.
We back.
We're back, guys. Today we're going to be sharing all that we eat in a day as a vegan family with 6 kids. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys. All right, guys. So let's head inside and see what we're working with for breakfast.
Yes, because there's a hornet right here, and we gotta get inside.
You guys excited to build? You guys excited to film a video today?
All right, to the kitchen, to the kitchen. Okay, so the kids are about to share a haul with you guys so you can see everything that we got from the grocery store that we're going to be using for breakfast. All right, back to them.
Violife epic mature cheese, organic celery, organic ginger, organic Granny Smith apple, Yes egg, Neoco's vegan butter, frozen veggies, organic potatoes, vegan croissants. And that's it. Let's make the breakfast.
When you raise the ball, yeah, the winner.
Would you raise your foot up? How's the green juice?
It's so good.
All right, so over here, Rocky is seasoning up the potatoes for breakfast potatoes that are gonna be roasted. And over here, Dad is making some infinite green juice. What's in it, Dad?
This is just green apple, celery, ginger, and lime.
Ooh. Ooh.
Okay, make sure you get me doing this cheesy.
Get the cheese in the back.
Cheesy eggs, baby.
Cheese, eggs, and blushing. Great.
Alright guys, so this is the finished product of the potatoes. Oh yeah. Woo-wee.
Alright, so it is snack time and the kids are trying Maxine's Heavenly Cookies. Alright, so Maxine's Heavenly sent us these awesome snack boxes for the kids. The babies have already tried them, but the big kids have not. As you can see, there's a bunch of them missing already. Alright, so let's get to taste testing. Oh, and we have a coupon code for you guys. We will put it on the screen. Thank you, Maxine's Heavenly. Okay, and Maxine's Heavenly cookies are non-GMO, gluten-free, plant-based, and soy-free. All right, guys, the first cookie you are trying is the cinnamon oatmeal raisin. And here are the nutrition facts.
Mommy, can I have a purple cookie?
And the ingredients. All right, go ahead, dig in. It's the first one down at the bottom, one each. All right, on three, 1, 2, 3.
Wow, is it good? Does it taste like oatmeal raisin?
Better.
Better?
Oatmeal raisin cookie I've had.
It's the best oatmeal raisin cookie you've had?
It's the best oatmeal raisin cookie I've ever had because it tastes like my mom's.
Oh, you're the best.
What about your dad's? It doesn't taste like your dad's?
What about your dad?
Remember one time I made ginger cookies with my dad, and it was my favorite. One of my favorite moments.
All right, so guys, scale from 1 to 5. What does that cookie get?
5.
What? 10?
It's a 9.
Okay.
I give
All right.
Why do you give it a 3?
It's not like the best cookie I've ever tasted, but that would be a 4. If it was the best cookie of all time, that would be 5.
Oh,
Okay, now for context, are you a big oatmeal raisin cookie fan?
I think so. Yeah, I think.
Nah, if you gotta think so, then you're not. You're not.
Up next is almond chocolate chunk. Here are the nutrition facts and the ingredients. Here's what the almond chocolate chunk looks like up close. We keep ours in the fridge, by the way, guys. It helps to keep it from melting. Dig in.
Yeah, take this.
Smells like a brownie.
All
Go
right.
ahead. 1, 2, 3. You can't read this cookie all over your face.
All on your forehead.
If there's any such thing as a brownie cookie, this is it.
A brownie cookie? That's the almond chocolate chunk.
Yeah, it doesn't taste much like a cookie.
Doesn't taste like a cookie. What does it taste like?
Tastes more like fruit cake or something. It tastes a little bit like fruit cake.
Oh, okay. What fruit? What fruit does it taste like?
Raspberry. Raspberry, yeah. Raspberry fruit cake a little bit.
I think it tastes like a brownie.
Tastes like a brownie?
I think it
Tastes like brownie and fruit cake.
almond cookie.
Yes, it tastes like an almond cookie. That's what it tastes like to me.
Yeah. On a scale from 1 to 5, what do you give it? 3.
3, 4, and 10.
10. Karina, you say 4?
8.
8? On a scale from 1 to 5? You like it that much? Okay.
Man, that rain is coming down outside.
It's really strong though.
Yeah.
So I'll give it a 3.
Oh, okay. So that's why you gave it a 3, because the almond taste is very strong?
Yeah, almond taste is very strong and it doesn't taste like a cookie.
Ah, okay. And Mookie, what's your reasoning for the 3?
I didn't like it as much as the oatmeal raisin one.
Okay.
It didn't really taste much like a cookie. It tastes more like fruit cake.
Okay. Yeah, because like whenever we have almonds, it's like with like an almond cherry amaretto, that ice cream that we had.
Yeah.
So that's why you kind of get that fruit element from it.
Up next is peanut butter chocolate chunk, nutrition facts, and ingredients. This is what the peanut butter chocolate chunk looks like up close. Go ahead, dig in. 1, 2, 3.
A lot of mms in the building. Well, thoughts?
Tastes like the peanut butter stuff.
Yes, it does.
That's what I was looking for. That's good. A peanut butter cup with chunks of peanuts in it.
Yeah.
Yum.
It tastes like my mom's favorite granola bars, so it's gonna have to be a 10.
Oh yeah, the granola bars.
So 10. That's a
10. 10,
God.
4, and another 10. Okay.
What you doing? Go get this right now.
Okay.
Use our affiliate code. It's amazing.
Yeah, that's actually my favorite one.
That is the best
Yeah,
one to me.
yeah.
Because it tastes like a Reese's peanut butter cup.
I know.
Or like a Justin's cup.
Yeah.
All right, and the last one is chocolate chunk. Nutrition facts and ingredients. This is what the chocolate chunk looks like up close. Dig in. All right, go ahead. Bite in.
This is the chocolate chunk. For the chocolate lovers out there.
Tastes kind of like a chocolate smoothie.
Yeah. It tastes like something with blueberries. It tastes very fruity.
Scale from 1 to 5. How is it? 10.
Yes, this one.
Maybe the best one.
That's the best one?
Yeah.
Alright.
It tastes very coconutty.
Coconutty.
All right, time to wipe down this table and.
Before we do that, I want to see who's.
yeah.
What your favorite was, Rocky? What's your favorite?
Chocolate and
Oh, you can only pick
Pick
one.
the only pick one.
between peanut butter and chocolate.
Yes.
It's gonna have to be chocolate.
Okay, chocolate. And Carmi, what's your favorite one?
Carmi loved them all.
My favorite was the chocolate.
Chocolate.
Ooh.
Karina, what was your favorite?
Peanut butter.
The peanut butter. And Mookie, what was
Chocolate.
it? Chocolate.
Chocolate.
All right.
That peanut butter one's still my favorite though.
I know. All right, we will see you guys at lunchtime.
Alright guys, lunchtime now. We're about to watch a movie on Netflix. Our parents just filmed a review video on Splitted Spoon.
I'm enjoying this. I don't think I've ever tasted anything like this before.
3, 4, 5.
This is a 5.
So yeah, we're about to try it right now, but make sure you check out our parents' Splendid Spoon review on these noodles. It's pretty rainy and gloomy outside. We're probably gonna watch a scary movie, which is probably gonna...
See you at dinner.
See you at dinner!
You like it?
Winston, you like your lasagna? You want more? All right, so here's an easy hack for how to make your own vegan ricotta cheese. All right, so you want to get some mozzarella shreds. I use about half the bag. The rest is going to be for the top. Then I use pretty much an entire container of garlic hummus. I add a whole bunch of spices, garlic powder. Add whatever spices you like in your lasagna. And then you add some tofu. Wildwood tofu is a great tofu because it does not hold a lot of water in it. It's brand here. But yeah, so I'm just gonna use half of one. And that's basically it. Vegan ricotta to be used in your lasagna. I'll put a little bit of cilantro in there and some garlic if you want. And then finally, you want to just add the spinach to your ricotta mix. It's just one less step so that you don't have to add spinach in the actual layers once you have your ricotta spinach mix. All right, so we got some onions and cilantro and some Miyoko's butter in the pot. We're about to cook up the meat. We always put pasta sauce at the bottom of the tray. That helps to make sure that bottom layer is not dry and weird. Yeah, I actually learned that tip from one of my teachers in boarding school. Layer your lasagna, always make sure that you overlap one piece of lasagna on top of the other.
Oh, okay.
That way you don't have any weird gaps. So then you want to put some meat, about half of your meat on that bottom layer. That way the bottom of your lasagna is basically the meatiest layer. And then you want to spread it around. Don't worry about those edges. More about them. More about your own edges.
Your own edges.
We're gonna put, again, about half of the ricotta mixture on that bottom layer. Everyone makes lasagna their own way. This is the way that I've been making it literally since I was 17. So,
Man, it smells good.
we wanna go ahead and put some cheese in that middle layer. You don't have to put that much.
Yeah. Well, you don't have to put cheese at all. It's up to you, you know?
Yeah.
However you want to make your lasagna, knock yourself out.
Then
It
on
smells
our
good,
next
right?
layer.
All right, this thing is ready for the oven. Let's get it.
And guys, if you have foil, please make sure you cover it. But yeah, we don't have foil, so we just use this cover. Hopefully it'll work.
Ooh. Yes, sir. Can't wait to dig in on this.
Ooh.
My. Damn, boy, you didn't even wait for me to film.
Is it good?
Is it good, Karina? Everybody is tearing up
Lasagna.
their lasagna. How is it, Rocky?
Wine.
Drinking your white wine. Alright guys, that is the video. Hope you enjoyed it. We laughed, we cried, we cooked. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and as always, don't forget to drink your almond milk and zip up your coat.